guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have yet another jewelry box subscription for you. So this one is $25 a month. You get 3 pieces. It is called Glamour Jewelry Box, and it has this cute little box here. I'm like digging this box. So anyway, and I also do have a code. So if you use Rebecca4, instead of receiving 3 pieces, you will actually get 4 pieces in your first box. So that's exciting. Okay, let's see what I got. I have not opened my box yet. Okay, let's see. We have some cute little, oh, just one jewelry bag. Everything must be in this one bag. Oh, all right. Right off the bat here, this feather necklace. That's a pretty hefty feather too. Oh, it's long too. I bet I can just plop this over my head. That's cute though. I like that. Oh, a rose gold ring. It's adjustable too, which is nice. It better be adjustable. This would never fit me. That's cute, right? I love that. Very cute. Okay, and then this, oh, it's a bracelet. I thought this was earrings, but it's actually a bracelet. Look at this. Isn't that cute? And it's kind of like, you know, it's not one stiff thing, which is actually kind of nice, but it has these bars on the side. Let me try this on. That's cute, right? I like it. All right, well, these are some fun pieces. Absolutely. I really love this bracelet, actually. I'm gonna wear this a lot. Okay, well, this is fun. Okay, so again, Glamour Jewelry Box, and it is $25 a month, but if you use Rebecca4, you get 4 pieces instead of 3 for your first box. Okay, awesome. Well, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!